Hello friends, I am Prashant, a qualified food engineer and founder of the Research Your Food Knowledge platform. In this video, we are going to dive into the health benefits of both ghee and olive oil and help you decide which one is better for your overall health. Do you know which of these fats is better for your heart? Let's find out. First, let's break down what these fats are. Ghee is a type of clarified butter that originated in South Asian cuisine. It's made by heating butter on a low flame to remove water content and milk solids, leaving behind pure milk fat. On the flip side, olive oil is extracted from olives and is a staple of the Mediterranean diet. It comes in various forms, with extra virgin olive oil being the least processed and packed with nutrients. Now let's compare these two types of fats. Ghee has a high smoke point of about 250 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for high heat cooking like frying and sauteing. Extra virgin olive oil, however, has a lower smoke point of around 190 degrees Celsius, which makes it less ideal for high heat cooking, but great for dressings or low to medium heat dishes. Here is where things get interesting. If you examine their chemical compositions, ghee is high in saturated fats, which are not typically heart healthy. Olive oil, on the other hand, is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is proven to be heart healthy. So when it comes to heart health, olive oil is the clear winner. Nutritionally, both have their perks. Ghee is a good source of vitamin A, which supports vision and immune health, while olive oil is packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Ghee also contains butyric acid, which is beneficial for gut health, while olive oil is rich in antioxidants that support heart and brain health. Which benefit matters most to you, gut health or heart health? Let us know in the comments. Ghee, being animal-based, is not suitable for vegans, whereas olive oil as a plant-based fat is vegan-friendly. While ghee goes through a process that removes most lactose, it may still contain traces, whereas olive oil is naturally lactose-free. One of the downsides of ghee is its high saturated fat content, which ranges from 60 to 65%. In contrast, olive oil is much lower in saturated fat, sitting at just about 14%. Since saturated fats are not heart-friendly, it's important to consume ghee in moderation. So if the heart health is your priority, olive oil should be your go-to. In conclusion, olive oil is generally healthier because of its heart protective monounsaturated fats and rich antioxidant content, which are associated with reduced heart disease risk. Ghee, while beneficial for gut health due to its butyric acid, may not be the best choice for heart health because of its high saturated fat content. But here is the bottom line. Both ghee and olive oil are very high in calories, so it's crucial to consume them in moderation. Depending on what you are cooking, you can choose one over the other. For high heat cooking, go for ghee, and for low to medium heat cooking or dressings, olive oil is your best bet. What cooking oil do you prefer, ghee or olive oil? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Research Your Food YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more science-backed food and nutrition tips. We hope to see you in our next video.